Hello, students. Let me ask you something fascinating. Have you ever wondered why humans always have 46 chromosomes, yet not all of them are the same? Out of these, some control the color of your eyes or the texture of your hair, while one special pair decides whether you are male or female. In every human cell, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. The first 22 pairs are identical in both males and females. These are called autosomes. But the 23rd pair is different. These are the sex chromosomes. Autosomes decide general body features, while sex chromosomes determine our gender. Isn't it incredible how this microscopic distinction shapes such a major difference in life? So let's first talk about autosomes. These are the body chromosomes, forming 22 pairs out of the 23 in humans. They are exactly the same in both males and females. Autosomes carry thousands of genes that control most of our body traits. Your height, skin tone, eye color, and even whether you have straight or curly hair, all of these are determined by autosomes. They act like the basic instruction manual for building and maintaining the human body. Without them, the continuity of physical features across generations would not be possible. Now let's turn to the most unique set, the sex chromosomes. This is the 23rd pair. In females, the pair is XX. Both chromosomes are similar. In males, the pair is XY, one large X chromosome and one small Y chromosome. The Y chromosome is much smaller but extremely important because it carries the genes that determine maleness. This difference is why it is always the father, not the mother, who decides the sex of the offspring. Isn't that amazing? A single chromosome difference can decide whether a baby is born male or female. Let's look more closely at the structure of these chromosomes. The X chromosome is large and contains many genes, most of which are not related to sex but to general body functions. The Y chromosome, on the other hand, is smaller and carries fewer genes, but among them is the vital SRY gene, which triggers the development of male characteristics. Both X and Y chromosomes are made up of chromatids joined at a centromere, just like other chromosomes. But the difference in their size and gene content explains their unequal role in inheritance and sex determination. Let's quickly connect everything we've learned. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes in total. Out of these, 22 pairs are autosomes that control general body traits, while the 23rd pair is the sex chromosomes that determine gender. In females, the pair is XX, and in males, it is XY. The X is large with many genes, while the Y is small but carries the key to male development. Isn't it wonderful to realize that within these microscopic threads, nature has encoded not just the design of our body but also the very determination of sex? Chromosomes truly are the master blueprints of life. I hope this session opened your eyes to yet another fascinating aspect of genetics. Remember, every cell in your body carries these tiny, thread-like carriers of heredity, silently guiding your growth and identity. Biology truly is the science of life's deepest secrets. Until next time, keep exploring and stay amazed by the living world.